What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today I have something absolutely outstanding to share with you guys. And when I say outstanding, I mean 8% daily outstanding. You know what I'm saying? This protocol literally launched yesterday and it already has $1.8 million in the contract balance. Now, I did not know about this project before it launched. I did not know that it was about to launch, but somebody put me onto this project yesterday and I started looking over it. Apparently, it had $1.2 million put into it the first 2 minutes after it launched, which shows me a couple things, right? It shows me people were hype about the project, obviously, because they were ready to throw their freaking $1.2 million worth of money into it. It also shows me there's somebody that's developing this that has a strong following. They're trusted. You know what I'm saying? Which is a huge part in crypto and DeFi now, because honestly, a freaking protocol can have the best tokenomics, the best everything. But if it's led by a scammy dev, it's just going to rug pull and take over freaking money, which has happened multiple times to many different people. So having a solid, trusted dev is probably the most valuable thing that you can have in these new projects. And it also shows me that this might be something big. So that is why I've decided myself to hop in this. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what it is. I'm going to put money into it myself. If you guys want to get into it, obviously, it's completely up to you. You don't have to do nothing. I'm not a financial advisor. Y'all know this, though. We're just friends. I'm trying to put you onto what I'm on to. I'm just journaling my journey in the whole DeFi space, letting you guys know what I'm buying and all of that. You know what I'm saying? So about to hop right into this. If you're excited for the video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and smash the post notification bell, because you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop these gems, because these are the type of gems that you kill over. These are the type of gems that if your family came over to your house, you got to put them away in your safe. Your own mother might come to your house, and guess what? Hide it from her, because she might try to steal these gems. That's how valuable they are. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into it, you know what I'm saying? I mentioned before, I journal all of my trades, but you know where I really journal all of my trades? Unfortunately, I can't make a YouTube video for every single thing I do. I can't make it for every coin I buy, every coin I sell. But there is a place for that, you know what I'm saying? Literally right there, patreon.com/Joovier's gems. I post every time I buy a coin, every time I take profit on the coin, selling the coin, every time I'm researching the coin. Y'all get the first scoop if you're in my Patreon, you know what I'm saying? I also have something very exciting coming as well. I just released the ebook, a free, F-R-E-E, free ebook that you have to go get. It's the link inside the description. You'll get it. CryptFiAcademy.com. I'm coming out with a whole course that will show you guys all the ins and outs when it comes to crypto, DeFi, showing you how to find these coins before everybody else finds them and before they 100x, 1000x, million x. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a great time. I'm excited for the course. If you want to be notified whenever the course comes out, go to the website and click course and put your email in there, and we go notify you and give you a fat discount when it drops. But without further ado, let's really hop into this video now. All right, so boom, GrinchBucks.com. Now, we all know who the Grinch is, the man who stole Christmas. But honestly, I'm a fan of the Grinch. The Grinch, you know what I'm saying? He seemed like people treated him bad, but I think he was really the good guy. You know what I'm saying? If you watch all the Christmas Grinch movies, he was the good guy. He was just misinterpreted. You know what I'm saying? What does it have to do with this protocol? Absolutely freaking nothing. I have no idea what the heck Grinch has to do with this protocol. I've read through the white paper and all the PDFs and everything. Grinch means nothing. I guess that's just the thing that they're going with. You know what I'm saying? This dev is actually the same dev that made, if we go to DripFi, DripFi.app. This is an app that I use very often. It's kind of a calculator for drip. Like if you put in the price of drip, let's say the price of drip is $33 right now, and let's say you have 1,000 drip, and let's say on day 30, it'll give you basically all the stats on like how much drip you'll be holding, how much drip you would have accumulated in that 30 days, which would have been $42,000 worth, or 1,290 drip tokens. It'll show you how much you earned on that day, which would be $345. It's just a cool calculator. Kind of helps you gauge where you're at with your whole drip journey. So I use this calculator very often. I like to play around and say, what if drip hits $5,000? You know what I'm saying? How much would I be making a day? $52,000. Well, I have more than 1,000 drip, but if I had 1,000 drip, I would make it 50. I like to think ahead, because obviously drip is gonna hit $1 billion freaking dollars. This is not financial advice, but it's gonna hit $1 billion. Don't question me. Don't ask me how. I just know it is. So shut up. Thank you very much. But it's the same dev that made DripFi, and he has made this Grinch buck. So obviously he has a lot of the drip community coming with him onto this project. Like I told you guys, right now it has $1.8 million in the contract right now, and it literally launched yesterday, less than 24 hours ago, which is absolutely freaking ridiculous that they just spun up $1.8 million in less than 24 hours. You're earning 8% every single day. Now there is a catch to it. I'm going to go through the PDF. It's not just everybody that comes here, they earn 8%, then they claim it, they go home, they live their best life, putting in this money and just getting mad gains out of it. You know what I'm saying? That's not how it works. Basically how it works, if we come here to the FAQ, which is the frequently asked questions, it's kind of like their white paper. I've read through this whole thing. I highly suggest, if this is something you guys want to get into, you guys go read through it all. Do not just go and buy anything just because you saw a YouTube video about it. Do your own research, please. That's the most ignored phrase in the crypto industry. Do your own research. People say, why would I do my own research when I just watched the video? Watching a 3-minute video is my research. You know what I'm saying? Go research it for yourself. But I would suggest you read through all this so you completely understand how the protocol works. But we do have to come down to this area right here. I kind of just want to point out a couple points for you. It's not everybody's just 8% every freaking day. This is a baked beans fork. If you don't know what baked beans is, it's technically the same as this. This has a couple changes on it. I never got into baked beans, but everybody keeps asking me to make a video about baked beans. I feel like I was late to the train, you know what I'm saying? And I thought baked beans would absolutely crash and fall a week after it came out. But obviously it hasn't. It's been going pretty strong. People have been making some insanely amount of great money with it. And I'm just kind of sitting on the sidelines wishing I got in. But I also think if I get in right now, I'm going to just... You know, you guys who feel like every time you buy a crypto or go into a certain project, after it's been doing great for 7 years, the day you get in, it just crashes and burns like you're the bad luck charm. That's how I feel. And I don't want to make everybody else's, you know, saying good luck go away because the bad luck charm, went in it. And that's how I'm thinking. But that's obviously not how it is, but that's how I be thinking. So I'm taking one for the team by not getting in baked beans. But I'm finna get in this, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, it is a baked beans fork, so it is very, 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 very similar to it. It is on the Binance Smart Chain, if you did not know. And yeah, so we're just going to read through a couple of this stuff. What will my daily percentage be? Daily percentage is up to 8%. This depends on eating habits, which would be compounding habits, and it also would be the claim habits. So they have different wordings for claim and compound. Here they call eating, and I forgot what the other word is. But yeah, it might be compounding and eating. Yeah, so this depends on eating habits, time of day you compound or deposit, total value lock fluctuation. Average is 5 to 6% if you compound 6 days and eat 1 day weekly. So that is the strategy that I would be doing on this protocol. It's the same that you would be doing on baked beans or any of the other forks. The key is to not claim every day. The more you claim, the higher your percentage will be. The more you compound, the higher your percentage will be. If you keep claiming, your percentage will drop down to like less than 1% every day. And that's not what we want. We want to keep getting that 8% every single day, which comes out to a little bit over 1% every single week. If you're claiming that one day, you compound 6, claim 1. So you're technically getting 8% every week, technically. And if you wait 10, 11, 12 weeks, then that's when you would kind of get your initial back, because once you put your money in here, it is gone. But it's actually less than 12 weeks because when you're compounding, your thing is actually growing and growing and growing. So you're technically going to get your money back a lot faster than 12 weeks now that I'm thinking about it. But yeah, so then why are my rewards not growing? Eating habits affect rewards. You eat too much, your daily percentage drops, just like I told you guys. If you only started with a small deposit, it might take time to display on the DApp. What happens if I always eat? Always eat means always claim and always take your money. It's going to say, if you always eat, your daily percentage will drop dramatically and you will not receive the highest daily returns. This is the anti-whale mechanism that helps us so the total value locked is not drained. Not only is the total value locked this high, but it has been growing every single time I check it. It literally grows. If I refresh it now, will it grow? I don't know. Don't make me look like a fool here, Mr. Grinch Bucks. No, I think it automatically refreshes. So it might have been less than this when I first started. I'm not sure. I have no idea, honestly. But there are a couple things you do have to pay attention to. There is a dev fee of 3%. There is a compound fee. I'm trying to figure out where's the compounding fee. There's a 3% dev fee taken upon all deposits and withdrawals. I'm trying to see, where's the compound fee? I'm not sure exactly where the compound fee, but that'll be your homework. Go find the compound fee. That'll make you have to read the white paper, so I don't tell you everything. Go read the freaking white paper, or the PDF. It's literally on the top of the page up here. It's grinchbucks.com. But back to what I was saying. So it's a very simple process to get in this. This is literally the whole website. There's nothing else on the website. All you would have to have is BNB in your wallet. I have 5.2 in here right now, which is a little over $2,000. So I'm gonna just put 5 in here and let's just press buy hams. You know what I'm saying? It's very simple. It seems. I haven't done it before, but it seems very simple. So let's just press confirm after we bought these hams. I wonder if the website changes if I hold hams. But there is another, obviously they have a quick like how to play section here, which kind of breaks down everything I kind of just told you guys, and just in simpler terms and a lot less words. They also have a referral address, so if you guys want to use my link, you don't need a referral to like join it, but if you want to use my link to like, I don't know, I think it helps me. I think I get like 12% of whatever you put in or something. I'm not sure. But you guys can use the link. It'll be inside the description. Like I said, you don't have to use it. There's no airdrop thing, so I'm not going to be sending you money. It's just if you want to give me some more money, I take it. You know what I'm saying? You help me, I help me too. Yeah. But so even if for yourself, if you want to get your friends in it, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I'm not telling you how to go buy this thing. I'm not telling you to go get your friends in it. I'm just saying if you read all the stuff and you want to risk your own money, you want to press that buy hams button, you know what I'm saying? You can come down here and copy your own referral address and send it out to your friends, your family, whoever is interested in the project, and you'll get 12% of whatever they deposit in, which is a pretty solid amount. So the homepage does change a little. Now it says I have the green eggs and ham. So the green eggs and ham. No. Now I have the ham in here. Oh, it is the green eggs and ham. Y'all know the book? The green eggs and ham. I bought hams, and now it says I have green eggs as my reward. That's the book. I didn't even think about that. That's big brain energy. You know what I'm saying? But I now have these two options. I can either compound or claim. So like I told you guys, my strategy is going to be compounding and compounding and compounding and compounding my life away, and maybe claim every week or maybe once every other week, kind of to just grow my my rewards up, or my base up. I wonder if, is there a place where I can see like how much I'm actually holding right now? That is one thing that I would want to know. If it is here, I will find it after I shoot this video. But if it's not, then yeah, it is very weird. I'm not sure. Maybe your capital is just in there. Oh no, right here. Sorry, your hams 737. I obviously cannot see anything for the love of my own life. But yeah, okay, so I have my hams here. So obviously I want to see this grow. We're starting off at 737, so just remember that. I'm going to update you guys in 1 week to see where my hams is at. I might update you guys in a couple days as well, just to see if there's any dramatic change, because I'm actually very interested. So yeah, that's really about it. That is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you in baked beans? Are you in Grinch Bucks? Are you in any other baked beans fork? Let me know. Let me know how it's been going for you. Feel free to go in the comments down below and brag about how much freaking money you've made in baked beans, because everybody keeps telling me about freaking baked beans and how they made billions of dollars, and I just missed out because I think I was on my honeymoon when it launched. I don't know. But anyways, y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. And yeah, that's really about it. Like the video if you got something out of it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit the post notification bell, because you know why. The valuable gems thing. Remember, your mama coming, you hide it in your safe. I literally explained it all for you. And yeah, that's really about it. Good luck on your trades. Good luck on your crypto. Good luck on your green eggs and ham. Good luck on your dog's birthday party that's coming up soon. I know about it. Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm going to see you in the next video.